Starting around the 28th of May 2023, Dogecoin truly is exchanging at 7 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.08% in sort of most recent 60-minute. Truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Doge truly has a very complete market cap of $10,113,262,410 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $193,587,554, which explicitly is very huge. This makes Dogecoin especially positioning at 8 in the digital currency market, or so they for the most part thought. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin essentially be especially worth in 2023, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking? Is Dogecoin a fundamentally wise speculation or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will Doge cost outperform its unequaled high? These truly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in a truly significant manner. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2023 as per the Dogecoin Figure Cost and Specialized Examination. In 2023, the Doge cost in every practical sense is supposed to basically cross a normal value level of 9 cents. The normal, most certainly least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to sort of be 8 cents. Sort of additional appearance how Dogecoin Value Expectation 2023 as per the Dogecoin Conjecture Cost and Specialized Investigation. In 2023, the Doge cost really is supposed to cross a sort of normal value level of 9 cents. The normal genuinely least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to sort of be 8 cents, which truly is genuinely huge. Besides, Doge can truly arrive at an in every practical sense, most extreme value level of 10 cents, especially further appearance how this makes Dogecoin sort of positioning at 8 in the digital currency market, or so they thought. Dogecoin Value Estimate May 2023. The Dogecoin value for May 2023 may by and large arrive at an in every practical sense least worth of 6 cents while the greatest determined cost explicitly is around 7 cents in a quite huge manner. The in every practical sense. Normal cost for Doge generally is basically anticipated to in a real sense reach 7 cents in May 2023. Dogecoin Value Expectation June 2023. With respect to June 2023, Dogecoin cost generally is figured to arrive at a practically the least cost of 7 cents, or so they basically thought. The Doge cost could sort of arrive at a very greatest cost of 8 cents with the sort of typical expected cost around 7 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation July 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in July 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 7 cents and 8 cents in an unpretentious manner, while the truly normal exchanging cost ought to in every way that really matters be around 8 cents, or so they truly thought. Doge Value Conjecture August 2023. The Dogecoin estimate for August 2023 expects that the Doge may for the most part arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of 8 cents with a truly least cost of around 8 cents in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the genuinely normal value Doge can especially stretch around 8 cents for August. Dogecoin Value Estimate September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of Dogecoin especially is generally anticipated to by and large arrive at a by and large normal cost of 8 cents while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of 9 cents and at least 8 cents, which generally shows that will Doge cost certainly outperform its unequaled high, or so they for the most part thought. Doge Value Gauge October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Dogecoin is supposed to basically arrive at a sort of least value worth of 8 cents. So starting around the 28th of May 2023, Dogecoin truly is exchanging at 7 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.08% in absolute most recent 60-minute, which generally is very huge. The Doge cost could generally arrive at a truly most extreme cost of 9 cents with the especially normal cost around 8 cents, showing that truly is Dogecoin an especially wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in a very enormous manner. Dogecoin Value Expectation November 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in November 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 8 cents and 10 cents amazingly, while the essentially normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around 9 cents in a very significant manner. Dogecoin Value Expectation December 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 8 cents and 10 cents, as opposed to mainstream thinking, while the really normal exchanging cost ought to be around 9 cents. Showing that Doge Value Conjecture August 2023. The Dogecoin gauge for August 2023 expects that the Doge may in every practical sense arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of 8 cents with a by and large least cost of around 8 cents. Dogecoin especially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost really has shown an especially decent increment of 1.78% in the in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours, exhibiting that in the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Dogecoin explicitly be somewhat worth in 2023 in a truly significant manner? From truly most recent 7 days, the Doge explicitly was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.29%, showing that Dogecoin value expectation July 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in July 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 7 cents and 8 cents, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin generally has shown areas of strength for especially potential of late, and this could be excellent chance to sort of dive right in and contribute, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge in a real sense diminished by 23.666%, dispensing with an incredible certainly normal amount of 2 cents from its certainly current worth, which truly is very critical. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be a great buy and large purchase and open door for essentially speedy venture. Certainly further appearance how the Doge cost could especially arrive at a truly most extreme cost of 9 cents with the typical cost around 8 cents, exhibiting that for the most part is Dogecoin an excellent speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023, which is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change really is near 16.08%, and the cost in a real sense circled from a base exceptionally normal cost of 8 cents to greatest most certainly normal cost of 8 cents in the beyond 90 day, which essentially is genuinely critical. In most recent 4 months, Dogecoin fundamentally has shown a developing pattern in an unpretentious manner. Consequently, we generally imagine that comparative pieces of the market in every practical sense were very famous at that period, which especially is very critical. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Dogecoin in every way that really matters is expanded from 4 months, or so they basically thought. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost. The coin truly is up by 1.38% with the by and large most extreme certainly normal cost of the coin truly was around 7 cents and the base really normal cost of in a real sense was around 7 cents in kind of beyond months in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin value figure 2023 FAQs. What will for the most part be Dogecoin by and large worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The Doge cost explicitly is guanched to in every practical sense, arrive at a by and large greatest degree of 10 cents within every practical sense, least cost of 8 cents toward the finish of 2023. So Dogecoin passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost explicitly has shown in every practical sense great increment of 1.78% in the kind of most recent 24 hours, exhibiting that assuming you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Dogecoin really be by and large worth in 2023, which generally is genuinely critical? Does Dogecoin certainly have a future, which all things